Italy is recruiting international workers again, and this new Work in Italy Day happening on November 27, 2025 is your chance to connect directly with employers who are hiring foreign candidates with visa sponsorship, relocation support, and opportunities across multiple industries. Today, I'll show you the job sectors involved, eligibility, how to register, and the exact steps to apply without any agent or middleman. What is Work in Italy Day? This is an official European Job Days event organized to connect Italian employers with international workers. It's 100% online, free, and open to applicants from any country. Employers participating will interview candidates directly and offer roles that can lead to Italian work permits. Why Italy is recruiting foreign workers? Italy is facing a major shortage in several key sectors due to an aging population, low workforce availability, high demand for digital and technical skills, expansion in tourism and logistics, a national push for green and digital transition workers. This is why they are searching internationally. Industries and jobs hiring international workers. These are the main sectors for the event. 1. ICT and tech roles. Software developers. IT support. Cybersecurity technicians. Data analysts. 2. Green and digital transition jobs. Renewable energy technicians. Smart manufacturing operators. Digital transformation specialists. 3. Health and social care. Care assistants. Nurses. Elderly support workers. Rehabilitation aides. 4. Construction. Plumbers. Electricians. Welders. Site technicians. 5. Logistics. Warehouse workers. Forklift operators. Supply chain assistants. 6. Tourism and hospitality. Hotel staff. Restaurant workers. Housekeeping. Front desk officers. 7. Mechatronics. Machine operators. Maintenance technicians. Robotic support staff. Who can apply? Eligibility. You qualify if you are 18 plus. You have basic English, Italian language is a bonus but not mandatory. You have skills or experience in any of the sectors listed. You're ready to relocate to Italy for work. Both skilled and semi-skilled applicants can apply. No age limit. No Italian degree required. How to register, step-by-step guide. Step 1, go to the official event page. EuropeanJobDays.eu. Step 2, create a free account. Use your email and fill in your personal details. Step 3, upload your CV. Make sure the CV is European, Europass format, for higher acceptance. Step 4, search for available job vacancies. Apply directly to the roles that match your skills. Step 5, employers can contact you for interviews. Interviews are done online during the job fair. Step 6, if selected, the employer initiates your visa sponsorship. Your work permit request is submitted in Italy by the employer. Benefits of applying. Direct access to verified Italian employers. Visa sponsorship for selected roles. Family relocation pathways. Online interviews, no travel needed. Higher chance of selection because employers are actively recruiting international workers. Tips to prepare before the event. Prepare a clean, updated Europass CV. Mention skills related to your sector. Practice short interview answers. Show availability and willingness to relocate. Use a professional photo. Have your documents, passport, certificates, ready. If you're serious about working in Italy, this is one opportunity you shouldn't ignore. Check the registration link in the video description and apply before the deadline. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next.